Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. I'm hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, finally ICMI has released the mock test paper for all levels of foundation, intermediate and final. Foundation students are not worried about all the question are MCQ based. But if you see the paper mock test paper of inter and final, now the most of the students are worried about, they are not worried about only for theory, but they are worried about the practical. Earlier the maximum practical, you can say that mostly the practical are in MCQ based. Okay, we have to only solve in the rough sheet, but nowadays we have to purely, you can see that, calculate all the tables has been given by institute itself. We have to solve according to the given table. Okay, so in this video I will try to cover all the question arising in the mind of CMA student after releasing the mock test paper. So first of all, which question I will cover, I will review the uh, mock test paper. Okay, and I'll give my suggestions to students. Okay, and what will be the exact paper pattern for October 2021 exam, I will also cover also. And some of the students are saying that this October 2021 will be the harder exams. Okay, I have also heard from some of the students also, so I will also try to answer this question also. Okay, and some of the students are saying that for completing this paper we have to at least given 5 hours. Okay, means 3 hours is not sufficient to solve this paper, so I will also give my input on this. Okay, and what will be the next strategy for every CMA student, and the important question for also for Hindi medium student, how they will submit their paper in the main exam. So I will cover each and every. First of all, we'll discuss about the review of this paper pattern. So guys, mostly inter and final, the paper pattern will remain same, so I am covering only one paper, paper number 14, SFM of CMA final. Mostly the paper pattern for all the remaining paper will also same. Foundation student need not to worry, all the question in MCQ based. So foundation student, just focus on the study, just complete mock test paper as much as possible. But there is some challenges, a bit challenges for inter or final student. Those challenges and how to overcome these problems and challenges, I will discuss in this video one by one. So first of all, we'll discuss about paper pattern. So as usual, 3 hours we have been allocated, and 100 hour full mark will be given. Okay, and around 120 130 mark will be paper will become, out of which we have to attempt 100 mark paper. Okay, please understand that we have a 4 section, section A, B, C, D. 4 section A and B, we have to complete section A and B in 15 minutes. Okay, time allotted for section A and B shall be limited to a maximum. Okay, so after 15 minutes you automatically switch to section C. So please understand. Okay, so maximum time limit for section A and B, and which easily you can manage. Section A, 20 mark MCQ base, you have to solve in the rough sheet. Please understand that you will get more than sufficient rough sheet in the center. Okay, reason is that inter and final is center based exams, so institute will provide you sufficient rough sheet. Do not worry about rough sheets. So section A, 20 mark, 1 mark each, MCQ based, 4 option given, you have to solve the question in the rough sheet and then you need to tick the answers. Okay, section 1 is not a bit challenges for those students. Section 1 and section B is mostly, you can say that section B in fill in the blanks or MCQ based or one liner answers. In SFM, for example, one liner answer you have to solve. Section B, 20 mark, 1 mark each, 20 question. Okay, for example, in any paper it will be given a one liner answer, true and false, or MCQ based, or you can say fill in the blanks. So in SFM they have been given the one liner answer. Okay, you have to solve in the rough sheet and just you need to write the answer. Okay, also in the main exam you will get the same thing, type your answer here. Okay, आप लोगों को जो मेन एग्जाम होगा उसमें भी इस तरीके का मिलेगा, टाइप योर आंसर, आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए आंसर देना पड़ेगा. मतलब इस तरीके की चीजें आपको इंस्टीट्यूट जो है वो पहले से प्रोवाइड करके देगा कि अगर आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन अगर सॉल्व करना है बड़ा क्वेश्चन, तो जो टेबल है वो आपको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, टेबल जो भी है वो इंस्टीट्यूट बनाकर देगा. सो टाइप योर आंसर हियर, यू जस्ट नीड टू राइट द आंसर. Section B is also 20 question, 1 mark is 20 mark. Section 2 is also not a bit challenges for the student. The student are worried about section C. You have to solve 4 question out of available 6 question. Okay, so we can say that yes, 20 mark is optional. 4 question, 10 mark each. So this is a big question which is divided into parts. Part 1 is 5 mark. You have to calculate the expected NEV. Okay, and this table is given, like this table is already given in the main exam. You just need to solve on the rough sheet and you just need to put the values. Okay, so some of the students are saying that this will be a double work, means first you have to solve in the rough sheet, and then again you have to put in the main exam sheet. So this is a bit challenges for a student, but my suggestion to here, if students are facing the problem, we can suggest to our respected institute always you can say that respect to our CMA students. So do not worry about, we can give a suggestion to the student, but mostly yes, the exam paper pattern will remain almost to similar this, and also the model test paper. Okay, soon institute will also release the model test paper, and we can rely that yes, final exam paper pattern will be a model test paper, which is almost similar to the mock test paper. So you can expect that yes, this mock test paper will be almost to the similar to the main exam. Okay, so this table is already given in the your main sheet. Okay, so do not worry about, you have to solve in the other sheet, then you need to just put to the values. Okay, so the second part is 3 mark, then question number B is 2 mark theory. In the answer sheet it will be given, type your answer here, then you need to write your answer. Okay, for theory do not worry about, but earlier I have also said the same thing, that please practice more and more theory, okay, for law and audit. And I have also observed the same thing, that in the mock test paper, theories are coming in less in comparison to the Jan 21 exams. Okay, theories are coming in less. Institute is giving more and more practical question in comparison to theoretical question. So we have to more practice in theory. Please also focus on past year paper and more focus on study material. Okay, the NAV you have to work on this practical question, 4 mark practical question. This table is already given by the institute. Again, part 2 is 4 mark. This table is already given by the institute. Question number 5 is 6 mark practical question. Type your answer here, then you have to this table is given by, you have to just write the answers. This is a bit challenges, but we can give some suggestion to the institute. Okay, so do not defame institute, say negative about the institute, but just give the institute always stand for the students. So do not worry, institute always give relief to the students. Question number B is a 4 mark practical. 6A 2 mark, B 6 mark practical question. 7 4 mark, 7 first part 4 mark practical question. All this table is given by institute, you have to just write the answers. Okay, you are required to short notes any 4 out of 5 questions. Okay, so 4 mark into my 2, 8 marks. So theory you just need to practice more and more. Okay, you need not to write long theory, just short and crisp theory you have to write in the main exam. Section D, 2 question 10 mark each, 20 mark, the last section. You are required to answer all the question in this section. Instruction, each question is okay, 2 questions and both are compulsorily. You are required to answer in section C we have given the optional, but in section A, B or D is a compulsory to attend. Each question is followed by a space where you are required to type your answer. Okay, so after giving the answers, you have to give a space between the 2 answers. A big question is given, you have to like they have divided the question into parts, like part A, compute portfolio beta 3 mark. The table is already given to you in the main exam. Part B is 3 mark, you have to solve. Part 3 is 2 mark. Question number 10, which is almost last. The big question is given, which is divided into parts. Part A 2 mark, 3 mark. Part C 2 mark, part D 3 mark. So this is the paper pattern. So guys, we have to more practice. Okay, yes, I'm saying that if we comparison to Jan 21 where all the practical are in MCQ based, which is too much easy. Okay, but nowadays most of the students are saying that the exam paper pattern will be tough, or exam will be tough. So do not worry about October exam will not be tough. Focus on the study material and past year paper and these mock test paper and also model test paper. Easily you can crack the exam. Okay, but yes, this paper pattern you can say that a bit challenging in comparison to Jan 21 exams. Okay, so we have to practice more and more. Okay, and we if we want some changes, so we have to request to the institute, and institute always support and stand for the students. So do not worry about, if we also support to our students. So do not worry about for this. Okay, but we need not to say negative about the institute or need not to defame our institute. We just have to always support to the students. Okay, so this is the paper pattern. Okay, now I will cover the question. Okay, So I have reviewed the paper analysis and review. All the paper will be same. Foundation only MCQ based all the paper. So this is not a challenging for foundation students. And what will be the exact paper pattern for October 2021 exam? Yes, you can say that this paper pattern will be the exact. There will be some changes, but last you can say that model test paper soon institute release. You can say that 100% paper pattern will be the model test paper. So hope you get your answer. And will October 2020 exam harder, or we can say that we have to practice more and more? The paper, the pattern is a bit challenging in comparison to Gen 21 exam. But if we practice more and more, still we have more time. Institute has earlier released the mock test paper for entire foundation or final. So we have to practice more and more. Soon Institute also release some more mock test paper. And yes, the exam will be not be a tough one, but focus, conceptual and complete study material and past year paper of syllabus 2016, which you can easily get from study from Institute side. Now, now some of the students are saying that we have to given this paper is at least need 5 hours. Okay, so yes, the paper pattern is bit challenges. We have to practice more and more. Yes, we can complete within a 3 hours. So do not worry about. Some students are claiming that we have to given at least 5 hours to solve this paper pattern. Okay, so yes, we can understand the feeling of CMA students. What will be the next strategy? So focus more on a study material, complete study material again and again, revise, solved all syllabus 2016 past year paper, mock test paper. Soon Institute also release model test paper. Please practice more and more. You can expect that the paper pattern almost will remain the same as mock test paper, or final will be the model test paper. Final paper pattern will be model test paper. And now the question for Hindi medium students. Okay, so Hindi medium students simply solved answers in the rough sheet. They have to capture and they just directly need to upload the answers as earlier Gen 21 exams. Okay, you have to upload your answers. You just need to solve the answers in the rough in the paper, and you have to upload as earlier Gen 21 exams. Okay, although there is no such information, but mostly yes, you have to do the same as earlier Gen 21 exams, which Hindi medium earlier Gen 21 Hindi medium student did. Okay, you have to upload the, you have to write the answers in the paper and you have to upload. Okay, so hope you get your answers, and do not worry about whether the, you can say that the result or passing percentage will decrease, as Institute has earlier released the high percentage. So do not worry about. Institute will not do the such kind of things to reduce the passing percentage. Okay, so please do not think about this. More focus on study material, syllabus 2016 past year paper, model test paper, mock paper. Okay, so just paper pattern, you can say that the exact paper pattern will be a model test paper. Soon Institute also release model test paper for foundation, inter and final. So till now, please complete the mock test paper. Soon Institute also release some more and more mock test paper for foundation, inter and final students. Okay, so still any student has doubt or need my suggestion, yes, we can also raise our voice to the Institute to help the students in this paper pattern. Okay, still you have any doubt or have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will help you, and I will also help you from my side. Okay, still you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and yes, we can request Institute whatever we need for the benefit of student. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.